Welcome to PHCPPros Live. We're here at the AHR Expo in Atlanta. With me this afternoon, I have a special guest from Grundfos. I would like to welcome Dave McMillan. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Thank you for joining me this afternoon.
Thank you.
Why don't we start off, can you explain to our viewers a little, give us a little background on Grundfos and your role there at the organization?
I can. So Grundfos is a pump manufacturer from Denmark, founded just after World War II. And we've been in the USA now for since the early 70s. So we were one of the first non-American players into the US market, and we make all sorts of products for all sorts of applications across multi industries. But here we're representing our commercial and residential space for HVAC here at AHR.
All right, and I understand you're introducing a few key new products into your residential market.
That's right.
The UPSe.
Yes.
And the new Alpha Fit, if I'm saying
the new
that.
Alpha.
Yeah.
Just Alpha.
Can you tell us a little bit about them and a little bit about these circulator pumps?
Yeah, so circulators have been used in hydronic heating systems for a very long time now, and I would say the older technology has been replaced, and in fact Grundfos was one of the first companies to come in with something called ECM technology, which is basically variable speed controlled products, high efficiency motors. And we started almost 15 years ago now as one of the front runners in the US to try and convert the market to more energy efficient solutions. But it was time for an upgrade. So our UPSe and our Alpha is the latest and I hope greatest versions of these products, and hopefully they bring a lot more value to our customers now. So we're launching them for the very first time here in the US.
Okay, so they fit into your today's circulator pump market. How do they fit specifically, like in the market?
So they replace existing products that we've had in the market for 15 years, almost 15 years, and we've been selling circulators for heating applications in the US for 50, 60 years, and they fit by what we're trying to do is we're trying to move the industry to a more energy efficient heating solution. So where we balance the comfort of homeowners, but also try and get the sustainability. So we've taken a very big leap forward in the HI energy rating, so the Hydraulic Institute energy rating, which all of the major pump manufacturers signed up for. We've taken a leap where these two new products are at the top of the game and the actual top ranked pumps in the market, which hopefully will inspire people and also our competitors to move the needle even further.
Okay, so it's like, why are these two products such great milestones for Grundfos?
So first of all, this is the first time Grundfos is launching a circulator for the first time outside of Europe. And I think we do that for two reasons. One is to show the market here in the US that we really mean that the US is super important. And second of all, our energy efficiency of our products in Europe was quite good. It can be improved, but we really needed to make a giant leap in Europe, which is what we've done with this new launch.
Wow. So where do you think the pump industry is headed in the next 3 to 5 years?
So first of all, the Department of Energy is bringing back the Circulator Efficiency Index. So we think that over the next 3, 5, 6 years, I think we'll see legislation kill non-high efficiency products in the future, so non-ECM circulators. So we expect the whole industry to convert to the more high efficiency solutions in the next few years, which is super exciting for I guess all of the pump manufacturers in this space.
Okay, so explain how these pumps fill the future for the industry a little bit.
Yeah, so right now if you look at a traditional circulator in a traditional heating system, non-ECM, and you go straight to an ECM circulator, and let's talk generic now, not about Grundfos, you can make an 80% energy saving.
Wow.
And if you imagine 80%, you go, oh, well, it's 100 watt, might goes to 20 watt, and you go, oh, well, is that a big deal? And you go, well, is $45 a big deal for a homeowner? I think so in this day and age, with high energy prices, it's a big deal. But if you imagine you times that by 1 million units, not only are you saving a lot of money for homeowners, but you're also saving a lot of energy for the grid. So we think there's a benefit for the homeowner in terms of comfort, in terms of cost, and there's also a huge benefit in terms of why use that much energy when there's a better way of doing it. Yeah,
so I understand that both of these products boast best-in-class Hydraulic Institute energy rating of 193.
193.
Why is that? That, I mean, sounds impressive. So you tell us, why is that so significant?
So I think, I hope that I don't think we come here to boast as Grundfos. In fact, one of the things in Danish culture is we don't like to boast about being the best. It is currently the top ranked, and we encourage anyone to go for that number. Because I think each of us drive each other forward. But of course, it's a sign that energy efficiency matters. And actually, you can get better ways of installing products. You can also get more comfort, and you can also save the planet at the same time. So I'm not so sure boasting about being the highest is something we would normally do, but I'll take it for now.
All right, so you're not going to like my follow-up question.
Okay, then. I'll
but
try
I'm going
my
to ask
best.
anyway. Why don't we see other pumps with this type of rating in today's market?
I think, to be fair to all of us, it's difficult to really invest a lot of money in new technology if people won't convert to it. So you can spend a lot of money in research and development and new production lines. So I think most of the pump companies, including Grundfos, when legislation kills old products, you have to have a line, otherwise you're not in this business anymore. So I think we see the future coming. I think we see non-ECM circulators not being around much longer. So we may as well get our offering ready for the future here and now, so we can maybe take an advantage in the first few years, but also have a ready product for the future when there's no inefficient products anymore.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about the key features of these two new products? Let's start with the UPSe.
So yes, the UPSe is our base ECM circulator. It's designed to replace a product called the UPS 1558. So we wanted to make it super simple that in 5 years from now, an installer can walk into a wholesaler and say, hey, I want 4 great UPS 1558 products, and the counter person at the wholesaler can say, we don't do them anymore, but would you like the UPSe 1558? So nice, entry level, high energy rating. But then we've gone to another product called Alpha, and what we've wanted to do is, this is a great pump, but the Alpha is a fantastic product because it allows you to connect to the product, and then it also allows you to match that product for a given system. Right now, we haven't got AI to the point where pumps know what systems they're in. So a UPSe is just going to be a great product in any application. An Alpha, you put it in, great, but then you can commission it to the exact system, so there's even more energy savings on the table.
Wow.
So you can turn a great product into an even better one.
Wow. So what can our viewers and our readers at PHCPPros expect from your company in the year ahead?
We're going to push this product a lot. We're going to talk about energy efficiency. We're going to talk about comfort, because we don't believe homeowners should have to sacrifice comfort for sustainability. But likewise, we don't think that we should sacrifice sustainability for comfort. So we want to try and balance both of those vectors as opposed to focusing on one. So we're going to be talking a lot about that. We're also going to be talking a lot about changing the pump industry into a more digital device. Instead of it being a device that moves liquids, it's now a digital device that also happens to move energy, but it can do so much more and bring so much more value to homeowners and installers. So expect that over the next 12 to 18 months, I guess.
That sounds like exciting times.
It is.
So if our viewers are walking the floor, where can they come visit you for some more information about your company?
So we are in booth 2261. Come and see us. We're super happy to go and show you through the new circulators.
Lovely. And for those people that would like more information and they're not here right now, where can they find out a little bit more about your Grundfos?
So our website, you can go to grundfos.com for our global website. So that's GRUNDFOS.com. But also for a more tailored experience for US customers, that would be grundfos.us.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time this afternoon.
Thank you. Great to meet you.
Great to meet you.